Hello, all, and welcome back to Core Motivations podcast. Due to some travel this week, we will not be having an episode, but don't worry. Next week, we'll be back on track, teaching and learning more about core motivations and how it applies to each of us. Hey, I just wonder how's the practice going with all your self-care and self-love techniques and rhythms. I am truly looking forward to branching out and finding new ways in which to utilize these skills. So I just want to leave you with this. Until next time, and as always, I'm rooting for you.